Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding, different jute ropes creative handmade collection. We are talk about Christmas decoration like bottle craft and different ideas made with jute rope and wooden elements and rustic ornaments. These crafts are simple, creative, and full of warmth. And bottle crafts are not just decorations, they are a form of art. When we reuse bottles, we give old things a new life. This teaches us creativity, patience, and respect for nature. And jute rope gives a natural and earthy look. When wrapped around bottles, it creates a warm, rustic feeling that is perfect for Christmas. And wooden bases and slides add strength and beauty to bottle craft. Wood remind us of nature and simplicity, which is the true beauty of rustic design. These bottles decorations look simple, but they carry deep meaning. They teach us that beauty does not need expensive materials. Adding small Christmas ornaments like berries, pine cones, and bells make the bottle look festive and joyful. Santa images or Christmas symbols on bottles bring happiness and childhood memories. They remind us to keep our hearts young and joyful. Rustic crafts create a calm and peaceful environment. They are perfect for homes that love soft colors and natural designs. Always decorate with balance. Too many items can hide the beauty of the craft. Simplicity makes designs elegant. These crafts are budget friendly and easy to make. They teach us smart spending and creative thinking. Handmade bottles crafts are special because they carry your time and effort. This teaches that effort is more valuable than money. Jute and wood crafts also support eco-friendly living. Rustic material helps protect our environment. While creating these crafts, work slowly and patiently. Good things take time just like good habits in life. And bottle crafts can be used as table decor, shelf decor, or gift items. Handmade gifts always feel more meaningful. Always keep safety in mind. Use glue carefully and keep sharp tools away from children. Rustic Christmas decoration create warmth and comfort in winter days. They make our homes feel cozy and welcoming. These crafts remind us that Christmas is not about show, but about feelings, love, and togetherness. Include family member while making crafts. This builds bonding and teaches teamwork. Do not compare your craft with others. Every handmade item is unique, just like every person. Keep your designs clean and neat. Clean work shows respect for your art. Decorating with natural colors like brown, green, and red bring peace to the eyes and heart. Bottle crafts also teach recycling and responsibility. Small steps can make a big difference. Rustic ornaments create a timeless look. They never go out of style. Always decorate with love, not pressure. Enjoy the process, not just the result. This bottle's decoration spread positivity and calm energy in the home. When you guests see handmade crafts, they feel warmth and appreciation. Christmas is a time to slow down and enjoy simple joys. Rustic crafts help us do that. Remember, creativity grows when we work with our hands and heart together. Bottle crafts teach us that even simple things can shine when given care. And always be thankful for you what have. Gratitude is the most beautiful decorations. In the end, Christmas crafts made with jute rope and wood are not just decorations, they are lessons of simplicity, creativity, and love. Decorate your home with handmade beauty, your heart with kindness, and your life with peace. Happy Christmas, and may your creative journey always shine with warmth and joy. All ideas is very creative, and keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need to your support. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.